If your Xbox won't switch on, there's good news. Microsoft has teamed up with Currys, making them the UK's first Xbox Authorised Service Provider. If you've got a broken Xbox Series S or Series X, you can now head to your local Currys store, where their expert colleagues are ready to help. They can assist with repairs, or even book your console into Europe's largest tech repair centre in Newark, Nottinghamshire. While repairs for out-of-warranty consoles may not be free, this initiative promotes repairing over discarding, which is a win for the environment. And for those in the US, uBreakiFix by Asurion is now your go-to for Xbox repairs across nearly 700 locations. Plus, keep an eye out for Microsoft's upcoming game, Avowed, which will run at 60 frames per second on the Series X.